A new playground in Doniphan is teaching kids how to play well with others. News 5's Ginger Benzel joins us live in the studio with more. Ginger?
It's called a peaceful playground. It's a playground where children can enjoy playing together in groups and learn problem-solving skills at the same time. The playground has age-appropriate games, consistent expectations and rules, and much more. It's a playground the kids at Doniphan Trumbull Schools have been waiting for some time.
It's really great. I never expected this to happen.
So far, the peaceful playground has cost nearly $45,000. The next move is for volunteers to stencil the playground. They will stencil numbers, the United States map, letters, and more.
I think this will really benefit the kids and help them just be better people.
Mary Yilk says though the playground is still in the works, it has a lot to offer.
Children will be able to problem solve on their own. They will have the same expectations. All students will have the same set of rules. The teachers are taught the rules at the same time. And
part of the problem-solving process is a student dispute form. If a student gets into a fight on the playground, they have to fill out the form.
I never used the form, but people who are fighting, they discuss it, and they say we were fighting about this and that, and they talk about it and decide it's not really supposed to be fighting about because it's not really that big of a deal. They'll find how to compromise, and then they'll sign the paper saying they apologize, they don't need to fight.
Mary Yilk says that many problems from the playground transfer to the classroom. So using this process helps in the classroom as well. But for the students, the playground experience is something special.
The most exciting thing I would have to say is that we're pretty much just having fun and nobody's fighting, and we're having the time of our lives pretty much.
Mary also says they hope they can help other schools learn more about the peaceful playgrounds concept, and actually it's all been made possible thanks to a grant. So if you're interested in the peaceful playgrounds, you can go to our website at khastv.com for more information.